Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're having a good day out there. Today I want to share with you a giveaway prize that I won right here on YouTube from Femke. I'll put her channel, what her channel looks like up on the screen, and I'll link it down below. This was a giveaway sponsored by Madam Glam, and I'm going to just share that with you, and I'm going to wear their gel polish for the first time ever. I've had some of theirs before, but I've never worn it. And I just want to show you that, you know, like right now, they don't have their traditional Madam Glam box. I assume it's because of the pandemic. They're using one for, you know, electronics, it looks like. But it's the same kind of thing. Their little label. And it comes like this. And I wasn't even sure what I had won. So let me just get this out real quick. I do want to thank Femke and Madam Glam for this giveaway. Thank you so much. It's the first time I've ever won a Madam Glam product. And I've never had their base coat, which I seem to have here. Soak Off Base Coat, 15 milliliters. So I've never seen it before, never felt it. It seems like a good consistency base coat. It has that typical, it's a stronger base coat smell. So assuming that would mean that it has more of those chemicals in it to bond it to your nail. And you can read the ingredients here if you can. I believe all their ingredients are listed on their website. I didn't get a sheet with it or anything. And the color that they sent me is Perfect Red, swatched out on the top. And let me just take a peek. It seems to match the color on the top of the bottle. Had a few of them that don't match, but this one seems to match very well. It has their Soak Off top coat. Let me see how this looks. It's a nice consistency. It has an odor to it, but not very strong. We'll see how I get along with that real quick. Vegan, cruelty-free, and nine-free formula. All of them say cure for 30 seconds in an LED light. UV light system is 2 minutes per coat. Okay, pop that little thing open. And you just pull it out, and let's see, my first Madam Glam lamp. Protected, lovely. It has the USB cord where this plugs into your USB outlet, your laptop. For me, I have Nail Tech lamps, and they have a USB plug, and this would plug into the back of the lamp. I've had some of these before from another company, so I'm pretty sure I know how to use it. First time opening it, especially, I would suggest you use something to pop it open with, because they can get stuck in shipping quite hard. You don't want to break a nail. You would just plug it in and plug it into the other side. And here's their little book in case you want to screenshot something. It's a 45-second for the first push, 60-second for the second push, just like all the others. Push right here, 6 watt. It says UV gel, LED gel, builder gel, and poly gel. But I would only be using this really for gel polish. I'm not going to use this today just because I'm going to save it for someone else who needs one. You can hear how those legs little clip right back in. It doesn't take up much space at all. I mean, this is tiny, tiny, tiny. I really wouldn't use it for building nail extensions with, but for a quick repair or touch up on the go. And since I already have base gel on, it's cured, it's ready to go, I tend to use a peel off base coat. I'm gonna try my first time ever wearing a Madam Glam color. This is the Perfect Red. I've seen a lot of ladies review this, and I'm just gonna give it a go and see how I like it. For those of you who haven't seen the other videos, I'm gonna show you. Here's the consistency of it. Let me just go in and paint my nails. I've got a few accents around here. So I had already peeked knowing it was red. So I've got a few gold things around here to decorate it up with. Okay, I'm going to give these a 30-second cure. I'm going to give them a second coat and cure it again for 30 seconds. Okay, that's 2 coats of gel polish cured in between each for 30 seconds in my lamp. Lamps do vary now, so to take that in mind. I'm going to get out some, I picked out, since I knew it was red, I picked out gold. This is from SheModern.com, the Galaxy collection. It's Galaxy colors. It's twinkling and it's gold. So this twinkling means it has glitter and it's gold. It's like, I've played with the red one before. See how it's like, oh, you just see it. You just see it. I'm only going to put this on a few nails, and then I'm thinking about playing with some gold leaf on some other nails. Whoops, I guess this will be my other nail that I'm playing with the glitter on. Remember, no matter how you apply your glitter, you just don't want to touch uncured gel, which is why it's tacky on the top. It's uncured. Anything that was exposed to the air isn't cured, and it could cause contact allergies, so you just don't want to touch it. But you can apply your glitter with anything you want, and as long as you're touching the glitter only, you can touch your nail. But if you're touching the gel, I wouldn't do that. Please don't do that. I know a few of my friends still do it. I used to do it. I'm trying not to do it. I have a little bit of gold leaf that I crumbled up. This was from my friend from Girly Nail 66. She gave this to me at Christmas time, a big old box. You can find this almost anywhere nail supplies are sold, or crafting supplies. I may have crumbled it up a little too much. Just want to do some gold leaf so that you can still see the original color. And this is my Beauty Big Bang silicone tool. But you can pick it up with a brush or whatever you want to pick it up with. I meant to only put a little bit on, but I got carried away. This is gorgeous stuff. I want you to be able to see the original color through there. And now I'm going to try out Madame Glam's top coat. Let's see how this glitter shows through. This is a thinner top coat than I was expecting. Just adding one little gem. I believe this was from my friend from Just Nailed It. I'm not really sure. It's been a while. Decided to need just a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna give this a 30-second cure, and then I'm gonna clean up and take some pictures, and I'll show you at the end of the video what these look like in a little bit different lighting than what I currently have on. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Thank you Femca, thank you Madame Glam. I appreciate the giveaway. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.